Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to get a very vintage Titan chainsaw. There's no markings on this one, but determined it's about 1953. It looks like to be a model 45A. And that is 4.5 cubic inch. It's got some unique features on it we'll take a look at up close. History on the chainsaw: it come out of a barn. Had been in the barn for 50 years. The barn chain or original, I was told, and saw was used just a few times and put away, and it has the original stickers on the bar, and that's a 16-inch barn chain. And the paint scheme is not good. It's mostly gone. It was blue with some red on the back. And we'll take a look at some of the features. It had that Chore Girl air filter system on it, which was just some fine shredded up material put in here. There's the rear grip, or rear stinger we call it. The throttle is a thumb throttle right here. Kill switch is tucked up underneath the fuel tank. It's right underneath there. Starter rope's original. Good compression. It has no fire. You're going to have to fix the ignition system on it. It's all there. It just needs to be fixed or replaced with one that functions. Gasoline is up on the top here, the mix. Cap and everything's in good shape. It's got that unique pressurized oil reservoir. Right there's the oil reservoir. And there's a little pump right here. You pump up air into the tank and it pushes the oil to the barn chain. This, if you're not familiar with these saws had the float style carburetor that you could not run on the side. Couldn't follow a tree with one. You tip it over and it would stall out. And to get around that, back in the 50s, they put a little trip lever here, and this whole bar rotated. And then you lock it back and you can follow a tree with it. The adjusting tensioner for the barn chain was very crude, but it worked. Loosen the two nuts up here, and then turn this nut here, and then it allowed you to tension the barn chain. And there's that float carburetor. Let's get a close-up of that so you can see what that looks like. That's actually got a little float in it. It's in very good shape. Just needs to be cleaned up, repainted. The very large falling spike. So if you're restoring these vintage Titan chainsaws, here's one of some very good possibilities.